Hello dear students, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to study class 6 NCERT mathematics lesson 10 mensuration, and lesson 10 today we will do exercise 10.3. 10.3 is related with area of rectangles and area of square. Area of rectangles and area of square. We have studied about what is rectangle, what is square. We have learned perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square. Rectangle is a closed four-sided figure whose length, longest side is known as length and shorter one is known as breadth. लंबा वाला साइड को लेंथ कहते हैं, शॉर्ट वाला छोटा वाला साइड को ब्रेथ कहते हैं. इसका एरिया कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? तो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला जो आपका है, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल जो होता है इक्वल टू लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला ये है, आप इसको नोट कर लीजिए. Please learn it by heart, note down it, pause my video and note down the formulas. If the अब यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनता है how to find length when area and breadth is given. For this second we can write length of rectangle is equal to area of rectangle divided by breadth. Third formula is for finding breadth. For finding the breadth, breadth of rectangle is equal to area of rectangle divided by length of rectangle. These three formulas are required for doing exercise 10.3 for rectangles. In case of square, we know that square is a four-sided figure whose sides are equal, or all four sides are equal. So area of square is equal to side into side, or we can write side square. And for finding, this one is fourth formula, fifth formula is here, and for finding side we find the square root of area. So please note down these formulas, learn it by heart. मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, ये नहीं है कि इसको सिर्फ लिख लिए, सुन लिए और भूल गए. ये अभी से लेके ज़िंदगी भर जब भी आप मेंसुरेशन बनाओगे ये फॉर्मूला ज़रूरी होगा. So please learn it by heart. Pause my video, write down, note down these formulas. So I am going to rub it and do exercise 10.3. So question number 1 of exercise 10.3 is as written on the board. First I am going to read the question, then I will make you understand how to solve this question. First question is find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are number A 3 cm and 4 cm, number B 12 meter and 21 meter, C 2 km and 3 km, and in D 2 meter and 70 cm. So first solution of A, larger one we will take as length. So you write here given length equal to 4 cm, breadth equal to 3 cm, therefore area of rectangle equal to L into B, that is equal to 4 cm into 3 cm equal to 12 cm square. Unit of area is always in square because you are multiplying the unit 2 times. So you will write given, what is given, then you write the formula, then you solve it. This is the correct method. In this method, you will get full marks. If the question is of 2 marks, you will get 2 out of 2. मीन्स अगर 2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, 3 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, तो आपको 3 में 3 मिलेगा. कहीं भी आपको 1 नंबर आपके टीचर नहीं काट सकते. इस तरह से आप बनाइए. सो बी सेम वे यू विल राइट given length, greater side is length, then you write breadth 12 meter, write formula, area is equal to L into B, then put the value, solve it, you will get the answer. Question number C, 2 kilometer and 3 kilometer you will do by yourself. Then in D you can see that one is in meter and second one is in centimeter. So here both the units should be same. कहने का अर्थ है अगर ये लेंथ मीटर में है तो ब्रेथ भी मीटर में लेंगे, अगर सेंटीमीटर में है तो सेंटीमीटर में लेंगे, किलोमीटर में है तो किलोमीटर में ही लेंगे. सो यूनिट शुड बी सेम. सो चेंज दिस वन इन मीटर, यू विल गेट 0.7 मीटर. सो राइट लेंथ इक्वल टू 2 मीटर, breadth is equal to 0.7 meter, therefore area is equal to L into B, that is equal to 2 into 0.7 meter square, 1.4 meter square. Solve like this, you will get full marks. Now question number 2, we have to find the areas of square whose sides are given. First one is 10 centimeter. You write given 10 centimeter, given side of square is equal to 10 centimeter. Then you write area of square, you write full. Area of square is equal to side into side, that is equal to 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. 10 times 100 centimeter square. Solve it like this. B, it is 14, so you solve like this. Given, you write here. Question number B, given side of square is equal to 14 centimeter, area equal to, therefore area equal to side into side, side into side, that is 14 into 14 centimeter square, that is 196 centimeter square. Write like this. C you will do by yourself. Now question number 3, I am going to write on the board, time you practice it. So question number 3 is written on the board, you can see in your textbook also. Question number 3 says the length and breadth of 3 rectangles are given below, as A is given 9 meter and 6 meter, B 17 meter and 3 meter, C 4 meter and 14 meter. Question says which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area. To find the largest and smallest area, first we have to find the areas of all the 3 rectangles. So come on, first we will find the area of first figure. A, length is given 9 meter, breadth is given 6 meter, therefore area is equal to 9 meter into 6 meter. 6 9 are 54. Meter square. In question number B, we have given length, you write 17 meter, breadth is equal to 3 meter, therefore area is equal to L into B, 17 meter into 3 meter, that is 17 3 are 51 meter square. Question number C, length is given 4 meter, breadth is given 4 meter, length is given 14 meter, therefore area is equal to length into breadth, that is 4 meter into 14 meter, 56 meter square. After finding the areas, you will get conclusion that in area of A, rectangle A is 54 meter square, area of B, rectangle B is 51 meter square, area of C rectangle is 56 meter square. We can see from this. So which has the largest? C has the largest, this one is largest, and B rectangle is smallest. We can find. So you will write here, therefore, the largest area, the largest area is of rectangle C 4 meter and 14 meter. Like this also you write, the smallest area of rectangle B, that is 17 meter and 3 meter. We have to do question like this. Then question number 4, we have to find the area. Question says the area of rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. So question says that area is given. What is given? You write first. Understand the question. A rectangular garden is there whose length is 50 meter and area is given 300 square meter. Square meter it is given. So given, you write here, given length equal to 50 meter, area of garden is equal to 300 meter, square meter, meter square. I have taught you the formula earlier in this video that for finding, if area is given, length is given, for finding width or breadth, we write width is equal to area divided by length. Or directly also we can do. Take the formula like this. Area is equal to L into B. Put the value of area here. Length is given 50 into B. Since this one is here in multiplication, it will go this side and become division. Is equal to B. Divide it. It will be, width will be 6 meter. Or if you are doing here directly by formula, it will be like this: 300 meter square by 50 meter. Again it will come 6 meter. So anyway, if you don't remember the formula, put the formula in areas. इस तरह से एरिया वाला फॉर्मूला में डालो और इसको सॉल्व करो, या अगर याद है तो डायरेक्ट बनाओ. दोनों तरीका, दोनों ऑप्शन है आपके पास. यू कैन डू बाय एनी वे. रिमेंबर वन क्वेश्चन, वन फॉर्मूला. By that you can sort out all the formulas. You can find the formulas and do it. So for next question, see my next video. If you like my channel, like it, subscribe it. Thank you.